We arrived at the airport early. He is good at math. I am interested in learning new languages. She is married to a doctor. He was accused of theft. He apologized for being late. They are waiting for the bus. She is responsible for the project. He is afraid of spiders. She is excited about the trip. I prefer tea to coffee. I am tired of working all day. She succeeded in winning the race. I am looking forward to seeing you. She is famous for her paintings. We are discussing the project. She is worried about her exams. I am proud of my achievements. They complained about the noise. I am disappointed in your behavior. She is known for her kindness. He is capable of solving the problem. She was surprised by the news. I am accustomed to the weather here. He is similar to his brother. She is jealous of her friend. He is keen on sports. Practicing these sentences, and soon you'll feel more comfortable expressing your interests in English. Thank you for joining me today, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.